Hey folks, Dr. D here. Today we're going to be replacing the brake light on my 97 Jeep Cherokee. I'm going to be swapping out the one that I have here with an LED. So we're just going to start out. There are three screws, or bolts rather. They're 10 millimeters, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm just going to zip those out. And then there's a plastic little tab at the bottom of this unit that you have to kind of tease out, and you don't want to snap it. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to get these bolts out. Probably put a little silicone into that rubber piece to kind of ease my sliding it out, and then I'll show you how to swap the bulb. Okay folks, now that I have this removed, I can show you a little bit more about what I'm talking about. So right there is that plastic little tab on the bottom, and if you break it off, well, it's a pain, so we didn't want to do that. Let me show you where it goes. So there is a little rubber area in here, and you know, it just slides into there, so when you reinstall it, you're just going to slip it in. All right, so let me reset up, and then I'll show you how to take out the bulbs and swap it out with the LED. All right folks, and we're back. I have it laid out here. So the top one here is going to be the brake light. And so the way these work, they just kind of unscrew. You might need to play around a little bit. This one's coming off pretty easy. There's a little seal. I want to make sure you keep, and this just pops out like that. Here's the old bulb. Just pulls out. There we go. Old incandescent. I'll link the part in the description so that you know, if you want to do this, you can. And you just slide this in. Now, because I don't actually know the polarity of this, I'm gonna have to snap it in. I'm going to try it out, so we'll see if this lights up. If it does, I have it right, and if not, I'll need to flip the leads around. Well, I can tell from the inside, that looks like it lit up. So now we're just going to put this back in. There are these three little ears here. They just match up with the ears here. So we're going to slide this in. This, and then you're going to turn it, lock it in place. We're good. So now I'm just going to put some more silicone on this little guy here just to ease it in. Not too much, but a little bit. And we'll slide this back in place. Okay, so we have the bottom tab in there. Now we're just going to grab little bolts again, and we're just going to tighten them in. All right, that's our last one. I'll give it one more test here to confirm that it is a brake light. All right, looks like we have a brake light. Well, thanks for watching, folks. See you next time.